Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram login activity not showing. If you're opening up Instagram on your device, tapping on your profile icon, heading over to the three lines at the top right of your screen, tap on Account Center, tap on Password and Security, and then tap on where you're logged in, tap on your Instagram account. Here you must normally be able to see all the devices that are logged into your account. If you cannot see this, then you may have to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it is a connection issue. If the problem still persists, you can head over to Settings, scroll all the way down, scroll down to find Apps, tap on See All Apps, and then scroll down to find Instagram, tap on Instagram, and then clear the storage and cache of Instagram and try logging and try viewing it again. You may also have to update or reinstall Instagram. Sometimes it may be a bug which you may have to report to Instagram. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.